two AI giants DeepSeek AI from China and ChatGPT 4o from the USA go head-to-head in a battle of intelligence. We will challenge them with 6 key questions across different fields. DeepSeek v3 slightly outperforms ChatGPT 4o in general knowledge and reasoning tasks. This is evident from its higher MMLU and MMLU Redux scores, which indicate better performance in academic and common sense knowledge. It excels in multi-step reasoning, complex decision-making, and understanding nuanced information. However, ChatGPT 4o is still very competitive and performs well in structured knowledge comprehension. This makes DeepSeek v3 a better choice for users who need in-depth explanations, while ChatGPT 4o remains strong for quick and direct answers. When it comes to coding, DeepSeek v3 superior in live coding, debugging, and handling multi-language programming tasks. It achieves higher scores in benchmarks like Codeforces and Aider Polyglot, meaning it can write, edit, and debug code more effectively. ChatGPT 4o, on the other hand, performs well in structured software engineering tasks, such as answering conceptual questions about programming principles. If developers need an AI assistant that excels in actual coding, DeepSeek v3 is the better option, while ChatGPT 4o may still be useful for software engineering discussions and explanations. DeepSeek v3 demonstrates a massive lead over ChatGPT 4o in mathematics. It scores significantly higher in advanced math benchmarks like AIM, MATH 500, and CNMO, indicating stronger capabilities in calculus, algebra, and competition-level math problems. This makes it an excellent choice for students, researchers, and professionals who require AI assistance in solving complex mathematical problems. In contrast, ChatGPT 4o struggles with high-level math and is more suitable for basic arithmetic and general problem solving. For direct question answering tasks, ChatGPT 4o holds an advantage, especially in the Simplica benchmark, where it outperforms DeepSeek v3. This suggests that ChatGPT 4o is more effective at handling straightforward factual queries, making it a better choice for users who need quick, concise responses. However, DeepSeek v3 is stronger in document-based reasoning drop benchmark, meaning it is better suited for answering complex questions that require referencing multiple pieces of information. DeepSeek v3 significantly outperforms ChatGPT 4o in Chinese language understanding and generation. Its higher scores in benchmarks like CLUSK, CVAL, and C-Simplica confirm its superior ability to process Chinese text, answer questions accurately, and understand complex linguistic structures. This makes DeepSeek v3 the preferred AI model for users who frequently work with Chinese content, whether for research, translation, or general communication. ChatGPT 4o, while still competent, does not match the depth and accuracy of DeepSeek v3 in this area. When it comes to long-form reasoning, DeepSeek v3 and ChatGPT 4o have different strengths. DeepSeek v3 is better at multi-step logical reasoning tasks, as reflected in its higher GPQA Diamond score. However, ChatGPT 4o is slightly stronger in structured comprehension, as seen in its better performance in the Frames benchmark. Both models perform similarly in long-form content generation, making them equally useful for summarization and storytelling. If users need an AI that excels in deep logical reasoning, DeepSeek v3 is the better choice, while ChatGPT 4o is more reliable for structured, well-organized responses. Overall, DeepSeek v3 is the stronger model in coding, mathematics, Chinese language processing, and multi-step reasoning, making it a great choice for technical users and researchers. ChatGPT 4o, on the other hand, is better at simple Q&A, structured comprehension, and general conversational tasks, making it more suitable for everyday use. The best choice depends on what the user needs: DeepSeek v3 for technical and advanced problem solving, or ChatGPT for accessible and conversational AI interactions. Tell us your thoughts on this comparison in the comments. Which AI do you think performed better? Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech comparisons.